Hi my loves, welcome back to another video. Let me introduce myself to those who don't know me. My name is Rose Marie. I create girly content here on YouTube, shopping videos, hauls, you name it. I film it. That's just a little bit about me, and thank you for all my returning subscribers and the ones that are still here. I appreciate you guys from the bottom of my heart. I know I've been gone for so long, but I am back today to show you guys what I got from Shein. So these things are based off me wanting to start doing my nails at home. I could possibly do my nails at home for cheaper, and plus I don't like when they're outgrown. So if these nails can last me about 2 weeks, that's all I need it for, because I get tired of them pretty fast and I kind of want to switch up my nails rather than waiting a whole month for them to fall off. So that is why in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys what I got from Shein, Amazon, and my local Dollar Tree. So if you guys are interested, stay tuned. So I already did open up my Shein package, so let's just randomly pick out the first item because I don't know where to start. The first item are these gel tips. I did see someone on TikTok, which I'm going to be following her videos because she's kind of who got me inspired to want to do my own nails here at home. So I did get these gel tips and they are square. They are the square tips and they're not all the same color. I don't know. It looked like a brown to me, but that's the first one. The second one are these right here. And my third ones are this ones. These are so cute. These are like the pink ones. These are so cute. And I got these. These are like a lighter pink tone. Last but not least, I got these right here. So basically those are the gel tips that I decided to get. Okay, so up next I did get more gel tips. These are longer because these ones that I got are a medium. So I did go for a longer set, and these are another gel tips. And once again, I'll insert the picture here for you guys to see. These are all the same. So they have the pink tone that I like, and they're just French tips, like your regular white French tips with a pink base, which are so cute. These are all it right here. So basically I have enough to do my nails for probably a good minute. I did order some more and they're on their way. I am upset that they didn't come all together, but these are the two gel tips that I ended up going with. And as you can see, this one's like a pinker tone than this one. So we'll just have to wait and see when I do my nails. And of course, I'll film it for you guys if you guys are interested and want to see that video. So let's move on to what else I got. So just keep in mind, this is all press-on nails at home, beginner friendly. I have never, ever put on press-on nails by myself. This would be my first time. Let's move on and see what else I got. So the next item, of course, has to be a UV light. Of course, I ended up getting one off of Shein because have you guys seen the prices on these? Oh, the paper fell. But this was the one I found. Of course, it has to be blinged out, as you can see. And of course, it has to be pink. I love this shade of pink, and I already tried it, so it does work. Just in case it didn't want to work, it does work. I am pretty excited to start doing them at home because I am a beginner. I need everything to go smoothly or else I am gonna get overwhelmed, disappointed, and possibly never do it again. So that's why I did get a lot of things that I might need. Based on some videos that I've watched, you'll need a curing lamp. So that's why I ended up purchasing this one, and I also ended up purchasing a couple things that I might need because I want this to go right, or else I will probably stick with the nail salon and give up on this. But now that I actually bought everything, I don't see why anything should go wrong. That is why I got the lamp. Okay guys, up next I got this nail drill machine, and it comes like this. It comes with a bunch of goodies. So it comes with like the drill bits that you need, and it also has the charger. But let me pull it out so you guys can see it. I got it in this beautiful, so there was a color similar to the UV lamp that I just showed you guys, but I wanted to go with this one because it kind of matches like my lip phone that I have right here. And this is the color, and it does turn on, and that's how much battery it has because I have been turning it on and off to see if it still works. That is the nail drill. So it did come with extra goodies, so like this and these sanders, and then like the things that go attached with it. So I am pretty excited to actually try this out because, like I said, I want everything to go smoothly. My first time ever attempting to do my nails at home, so cross my fingers this all goes well. This is the next item I got off of Shein. These are to design your acrylic nails, and they are just so cute. I got some bows here, a bunny here, cherries with the bow here, more bunnies, different type of bows, different styles, and some of them even have a little rhinestone in the middle. I did get them because I did want to like personalize it a little bit, and I'm so upset because I didn't receive the other half of my package, which are the actual charms, like the 3D charms, and those I really wanted to show them in this video. I will insert pictures so you guys can see what I'm talking about because I did want to try out the stickers and see how that goes, which I am pretty sure they're gonna work well just because they're adhesive themselves, I believe, and it won't require glue. All I would have to do is stick it on the nail, add a clear coat, cure it, and then hopefully these work since they're not that thick. And I hope this works out for me, and if I like it, then I possibly will order more. I also ended up getting some nail filers. I don't know what the numbers mean. I ended up purchasing these just in case I didn't know how to work the drill, but these were only like a couple bucks. So I'll insert pictures here, like I said, so you guys can see what I'm talking about. But these are it. It comes in a pack of 5, and they were pretty affordable. I did end up picking up these right here, and these are basically recommended supposedly to like use it to dehydrate the nail and clean it off. So I heard you're not supposed to use cotton because cotton will basically leave residue, and these will not. Let's see if these work. I don't know. I'm just, like I said, I haven't got into it, as you guys can see. So I will be using this, although these were recommended by people who do press on nails. So I just ended up getting whatever they told me to get. I guess I have to wait and see how these work out for me. Okay, my loves, so we're gonna be moving on to Dollar Tree. And as you guys know, they are not giving out bags anymore. So I did purchase a box. It's a cute box. It says Cupid Express, and it looks like this. Of course, the lid, it's like so you can insert envelopes. Let's open it and see what's inside. This is not part of it, but I did get one of these because I've been looking, and I guess you can use this part to wash or switch hands and use this part to wash and scrub. That's not part of it, but I wanted to show it. Something that is also not part of it, but I want to show it, is these lash containers to store my lashes when I take them off. And this is pretty cool, and it's cute because it's in pink. I did see another pink one, but I didn't like it. This is the one I decided to go for. It has strawberries and little flowers, which is so cute. There was only like 2 left. The other one that I didn't like, and this one. And of course, I ended up getting this one. Up next, I got the cuticle oil and nail strengthener. This one says it has moisturizer with vitamin E, helps straighten nails and cuticles. So I did go with this one because it looked to be the best out of all the ones that I had as an option. So I did go with this one, and I didn't get it because it was pink. I got it really because of what it promises it does. So that's why I got this one. So after reviewing what I would need for press-ons to do at home, it did suggest that you need a cuticle oil after your nails are done. I went ahead and picked it up because I don't want to have an excuse of why things went wrong. So anything they told me to get, I literally got. So everything you see in this video is not because I know what I'm doing. It's because I did my research and these are the things that were suggested to get. This was part of it. Okay, so moving on, I got some clear tips. The only reason why I picked these up is because I wanted to give them a try. Maybe when I am comfortable enough, I could like design something. So I did pick up the clear ones. So the only thing with this one is that it says the glue is not included, but neither was the Shein ones. So I didn't expect it to be. I like how it has its own organizer, which is different with these because they're all attached. So I am excited to try these out. And it was only $1.25, so... Also from Dollar Tree, I picked up this acetone. It's 100%. It is a must when dehydrating nails, or you can use rubbing alcohol. But this I did buy at Dollar Tree for $1.25. I heard it works as a dehydrator, so that's what I'm going to be using it for. Last but not least, I did get myself an organizer for my nail stuff. And it was $1.25 as well. And with this, it opens like so. Basically, you can just store. So I was thinking putting anything that is nail related in these compartments to sort out if I need it. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it yet, but it does have the compartments right there. And it's a really thick, sturdy box. So I'm hoping I can decorate it and like accessorize this box as well. Okay, my loves. So up next is Amazon. I did open it because it has a whole label on it. And plus they threw it and it was dirty from the top. So I did end up cutting it. And if you guys have been watching, you guys probably wondering, so how are you going to glue these nails onto you? What is it that you're gonna use? So that's what I'm about to show you guys. I'm hoping this glue is tough enough to stay through water, through anything. So upon some research that I did do, it does say that these were the best products to use. So let me show you guys what I got. The first item is the nail glue, and it's by the brand Beetles. And if you guys are or know about press-ons and stuff like that, you guys let me know in the comments what is it that you guys are using that is going to be like rock solid hard, and then also like they won't come off when I'm washing dishes or when my hands are constantly being soaked in water. So I do want to know what nail glue you guys are using. This is the one that was suggested for press-on nails. Screenshot if you guys like. Okay, so moving on, last item from Amazon. So I did get the builder top coat. One is a nail top coat builder, so it's supposed to make it like feel like acrylic. And the other one is like more pinker tone. That is perfect because I probably will use it for the clear acrylic nails that I got from Dollar Tree. So that would be perfect for that because I also like to have them semi-natural, like the base to be like that. It's also by the brand Beetles. As you can see right here, this actually came together in a 2-pack. As you can see, I have not opened it. I am going to be doing an unboxing video, so that's why I'm not opening any of these products with you guys. Although I do have to say that upon the research that I did do, they said you have to invest in a good nail glue, a good top builder coat. I did go with the brand Beetles. I don't know how they work or how they perform. I am hoping I can do my nails in this video with you guys and then show it to you guys. If not, I'll probably do it in my next video dedicated just to me doing them with you guys, because that would be my first time doing them. I've never done them. I'm not even joking. So that is all in today's video. I'm glad I'm back and was able to film this video for you guys. I'm truly grateful for the people who are still here watching me. I appreciate you guys. I love you guys. Thank you so much. But with that being said, I hope you guys like this video. Till next time, bye.